Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy F62 smartphone. In this video, we will learn how you can hide pattern line in your phone Samsung Galaxy F62. I have set my pattern and while unlocking, you will see the line of tracking, that is line of your pattern when you draw it. Okay, if you want to hide this pattern line, just when you draw the line, it will not visible. Okay, for that, first go to the settings and click on lock screen and click on secure lock settings and draw your current pattern. And now you have to turn off this button, make pattern visible. So if you it is already turned on. Okay, previously it is turned on, so it is visible. Okay, make pattern visible is turned on. So if you turn off it, it will be invisible now. Now check it. Put lock screen and try to open with your pattern. Now while drawing, that line is not traced. Okay, that drawing line is not traced and it is invisible. So in this way you can easily make pattern invisible while drawing in your phone Samsung Galaxy F62. If you want to have the pattern visible, you go to again turn on this button. Now it will be visible. See the changes. Okay, if it is turned off, you will not get that line. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.